community couldn't stand having a bit of this marshland that wasn't for development, so they broke off here. And they carry this infilled nightmare, which I assume will turn into invasive plants just from what I'm seeing back there. And then, just wait. Hundreds of feet, a few hundred feet of plastic wrap to create their new monstrosity here, which was already clearly established at one point. Like it's just gonna kill all these white lilies. Perfect. Keeps going on for as long as the pond. Just droves of invasive weeds.